Hey, I'd like to introduce you to another Coach bag today. This is the backpack. It's called the Mini Turnlock Rucksack in floral print leather. It comes with the pebble leather. So if you're looking for a really striking bag and yet it's really nice and elegant, this is definitely one of them. It comes with the silver color hardware, as you could see here and here. I'm gonna bring it closer. It does have a Coach written on the top and not on the bottom, and this one here, so this one is a pocket turn lock. Let's take a look on this side, and let's go take a look at the side of the bag. So it does have a Coach logo on one side here, and this is the bag. Has a leather hand tag on the bag. This is the other side, and that's the bottom of the bag. And it does come with a strap, I guess, for adjustable strap that you could like this. It has a real ring to this thing that goes like this. And let's turn this over. Let's look on the inside of the bag. Comes with the dust bag. It does come with the black color linen lining on the inside, I'm not sure, and it has a really interesting I guess logo creek that is in orange color. So on the inside, it has a slip pocket on one side and a zippered pocket on the other side. And let's put this dust bag in. I'm gonna put this where I guess we don't have anything just yet to put in right now. Let's compare this to the size of the water bottle. The dimension of this bag here is about 8 inches in length, is about 9.5 inches in height, and about 3.25 inches in width. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.